What's up everyone, welcome back to Sharp Technique. I have another review here for you. It is going to be the 711L Ratchet for the Leatherman. Now this Ratchet here is made by Leatherman, but this thing is pretty much currently sold out. I've been seeing a lot of price gouging on this one, so please don't fall for it. This is not worth $100. Definitely isn't worth $300 as I've seen on eBay and some other websites. But I have a good replacement for this one since this one is currently sold out. This 711L flathead and flex head. This is an EDC ratchet wrench that fits and is compatible with the Leatherman. And before I show you a little bit of this, let me just give you some specs here because this thing is very cool. I'll start off by letting you know that this is made in Taiwan. Some of you guys may not want to hear that, but it's pretty weighty. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't feel very cheaply made. This is a nice little 7mm end here with the overall length of 67 millimeters, and the head alone is 17 millimeters. So this thing overall is 0.988 ounces. It is a powder coated finish. It's hand powered, of course. It comes in a nice little tin case and it is mechanical. So just to give you guys an idea, this thing does fit pretty well with the Leatherman. So I'm gonna pull this out. I pull the bit that's in place. Depending on how I want to use it, you can put it this way, flip it around. Completely up to you, however you decide to grip. And I think you could get way more leverage with this than with the screwdriver type. This is always, you know, more leverage, it's longer, so I don't recommend using it on big jobs, but it gets the job done. Now these bits, these are quarter bits. This one is another Amazon company, Mulwark. As you see, they fit perfect, sounds good. Switch it over. Again, the head swivels so you can have the head in different positions. This is the Leatherman signal, and I will demonstrate this with another Leatherman, the Leatherman Wave. Same thing here, pull it out and you got a nice replacement ratchet. So no need to pay for the gouging prices on this one right now. Go ahead and pick you up one of these. It's going to suffice for those small jobs around the household. And I'll show you guys a little bit of how I used it today. if you're also wondering, the actual Leatherman bits, it actually does take those as well. They kind of protrude a little bit from the backside, but they work. So if you're wondering if these Leatherman bits will work, they will work. Thanks for watching.